Do you know the way to the North Point? Is that a yes? I don't think he knows. I don't think he's local. Look at that, we have found bananas growing on the roadside.
Woohoo! That's amazing.
Onward to a big rock. What are we trying through now, Maria?
Sugarcane.
She's a woman of very few words. Sugarcane. Sugarcane.
Oh, that red place is for sale. I like it. Let's buy Cliff Richard's house.
I can't buy Cliff Richard's house. I think he's
living in it.
He still uses it.
Yeah,
in case anyone's wondering how we're navigating around Barbados, I've been literally picking up Wi-Fi where I can and just sticking it into Apple Maps. We did use the map, yeah, when we got lost in Bridgetown. Oh, you want to go that way?
Yes. First signpost.
First signpost.
It's the first proper signpost. St. John. There we go.
There we go.
So,
little tip for anyone that does want to get a sat nav at the airport when you hire your car, just pick up Wi-Fi where you can, put it into your Apple Maps or Google Maps or whatever, and yeah, navigate that way. And add the extra stops, so map out your whole journey, or roll your luck and try and hope that you'll find Wi-Fi somewhere around.
It's beautiful here. It's such a beautiful country.
It is. And we've done so much, all before lunch, which is what we're racing back to have.